and since they added their delivery charges separately a while back, I just feel it's a rip-off, to be very honest, because you end up paying way more than the actual price of the product, so I don't think it's worth it. Hi guys, are you enjoying the really hot summer season? Like गर्मी इतनी ज़्यादा है कि हवा भी नहीं आ रही. You can already see this glow, you guys. This is pasina. Let's begin with the video. Today's video is super special. These are specifically those items कि जिनके मैंने reviews नहीं देखे YouTube पर. But these things were really cute. First of all, I was like, I should actually spend my money on Daraz. It's time. If you guys already do not know, तो ये मेरी सालगिरह का महीना है. So let's begin with the video. Let's go. First of all, I will recommend you all to get a pair of scissors. It is very important, जो कि मैंने अपनी पिछली वीडियो के अंदर इस चीज़ को समझा. If you guys haven't watched my 5th Avenue video, so please go ahead and watch it. You will exactly know मैं क्या बात कर रही हूँ. Anything can go wrong actually. So this is what I'm going to say. So basically I have this first packet with me. I am not sure what's going to be inside it, but I actually did cut this one because मैंने कहा मैं scissor को check कर लूँ, is it working or not. So yeah, this is the first packet. I get this thing, which is my bill, and my bill is 334 rupees. With the shipping charges. The shipping charges are 35 rupees. It's okay. So the product is unique cute tea stainer, teapot shape tea infuser, silicone tea bag, leaf filler, diffuser, kitchen item. इससे छोटा नाम आपने कभी सुना है? Like अगर आपने सुना है तो आप इस दुनिया के नहीं हैं. First of all, let's talk about this sticker. And let's see. Bazinga. Things you did not know you wanted. Okay, I love to have, you know, infused teas, and मुझे leaves, जो dried leaves होती हैं, उनको infuse करना बहुत अच्छा लगता है. I don't like कि पत्ती वाली जो होती है, पिसी हुई वो नहीं मुझे पसंद. So I was like, you know, let's just order this, और अगर काम करेगी तो मतलब बल्ले नहीं बल्ले. Just look at it, how cute it is. So basically मेरे पास अभी tea leaves नहीं है, so I'm going to use this. So yeah, hot water over here. ये माशाल्लाह से बहुत गर्म है, इससे धुआं भी निकल रहा है. So yeah. Works. Seller Intersect Lahore. I will insert the name of this seller. I think it's worth it. Okay, I paid 384 rupees for this one. This is 5D glass screen protector, edge to edge for iPhone XS Max. Also, this is a really cute way of sending. I don't think it boxes के साथ आता होगा. ये इन्होंने special compass वाला जो box है उसके अंदर पैक करके भेजा है. It was so cute. Thank you so much. So you do get 2 wipes with it. One is a dry and then one is a wet wipe. So yeah, that's something very nice. The sender is MISC Lahore. Like Lahore senders are really good. Next up I have this thing and I'm really excited and I do want to see कि ये hoax है या ये real है. For this I had to pay 314 rupees. This looks gimmicky to me. I haven't seen any review of it. When you're gonna go in the sunlight, so after you watch का color change हो. So आजकल गर्मी बहुत ज़्यादा पड़ रही है, so I'm like I can test it out, you know. So let's just see. Okay. Even if it doesn't work, I am happy. I'm super happy with this. Can you guys see? And it's like rose gold kind of a color. Okay, next up is this bag. Again, it looks के यहाँ पर कहीं कुछ है रखा हुआ. Okay, I had to pay 234 rupees for this. There is no bill slip inside it, which is a bummer. It's okay. तो हम लोग बहुत सारे इंस्टा स्टोरीज करते हैं and sometimes लिखना होता है, तो उंगली से लिख कर थक जाते हैं, फिर से रीडू करना पड़ता है और so I was like I should get this thing. Now this is really cool because it's not just a stylus, like this is a stylus, but it's also a pen. So yeah. Next up is this thing. Okay, let's just see what this is. I'm not sure. So I had to pay 166 rupees. Okay, so I'm not happy with the way it came. ये इस तरह से आया है. ये टैबलेट का बॉक्स है जिसके अंदर मुझे ये असल इसके अंदर होना चाहिए था, इसके अंदर भी नहीं था. So this is the protector for the camera of my phone. Not happy at all. I hope it's going to be okay. The packaging was really poor. Really poor. I hope that the thing that I am about to show you guys ये काम करती हो. मैं इसका ad बहुत टाइम से देख रही थी और मुझे ये लेना था, but this is not under 500 rupees. This is an investment for me. Yes, it is under 1000 rupees, but still, you know. So yeah, let's just open this thing up. This is huge. So we are going to open it. I had to pay 808 rupees for this thing. I was not expecting this thing. You get two tripods. Yeah, this is something that you can put it on your table, kahin bhi, and then camera par laga ke, and then you can actually make a video or click any picture. I'm not too like crazy about this one. You actually get an attachment for your phone as well, so that's really cool. I actually wanted to try this thing. It looks pretty gimmicky to me, and let's just see कि ये क्या है. Because look over here, you can actually just kind of make it a tripod and a selfie stick. So yeah, this is the remote. This is something that we are going to balance the stick on. So yeah, let's just try. Thumbs down. Guys, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what other videos should I film, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Rab rakha guys and gals. Bye.